Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching the frequently asked questions which in exponents and powers. As we have learned the laws of indices, we can easily solve these problems using those laws. So let me explain the first one. So the first one is 5 power a is equal to 25 to the power of 5. Now here you need to convert this 25 in exponent form. Now here it is 25 to the power of 5, but 25 is in not simplest form. So we need to write this 25 as 5 power a is equal to, so this 25 can be written as 5 square whole to the power of 5. I have just converted this 25 as 5 square. Now here, as we all know, a to the power of m whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m into n. So I'll just write a to the power of m whole to the power of n, a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Now this is the formula I'm using. So it is nothing but 5 to the power of 2 into 5, that is 5 to the power of 10. So that implies 5 to the power of a is equal to 5 to the power of 10. Now base are equal, so you can equate the powers. So that implies a is equal to 10. So here I've just converted this 25 as exponential form. Now by using this law, I've converted into 5 power 2 into 5, that is 5 power 10. Now here 5 power a is equal to 5 power 10. Now because the bases are same, you can even equate the powers. So that is nothing but a is equal to 10. Let me explain the second one. It is x a to the power of x to the power of a into b minus c into x to the power of b into c minus a into x to the power of c into a minus b. Now here is a simple multiplication, x to the power of, now a into b, remove the bracket, a into b is ab. Now you have a different sign here, so plus into minus is minus, a into c is ac into x to the power of, now just remove the bracket by multiplying, b into c is bc, plus into minus is minus, b into a is ba into x to the power of c into a, ca, plus into minus minus, c into b is cb. Now formula we can use over here is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is a to the power of m plus n. Now when bases are same, add the powers. So this is nothing but x to the power of ab minus ac. Now here I can add the powers, plus bc minus ba plus ca minus cb. Now here AB and BA. Now you know that in multiplication commutative property satisfies. So A into B is equal to B into A. Let me give an example. 5 into 2 is equal to 2 into 5. That is 5 into 2 is 10. 2 5 is 10. So both are equal. So here AB and BA both are same. Now AB plus AB minus AB gets cancelled, minus AC and plus AC gets cancelled, plus BC and minus BC gets cancelled. Now because all have cancelled, now you are left with x to the power of 0, that is nothing but 1. Yes, so let me continue with the third problem. So the third problem is you need to find out the value of it. The question is 3 power 6 Yes, the question is 3 power 6 into 2 to the power of 5 by 2 cube. Now here you need to expand them. So I can write it as 3 power 6 into 2 to the power of 5. I can write this as 2 plus 3. Why I have written like this is I want this to be cancelled by taking the numerator. So 2 cube. So now I can write this as 3 power 6 into 2 square into 2 cube. Now this is the formula, that is a power m plus, actually you have a formula a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So I have taken the formula, I have expanded like this, and I have written in this way. Yes, so that is nothing but 3 power 6 into 2 square into 2 to the power of 3 by 2 cube. Now here 2 cube gets cancelled, and here 3 power 6 into 2 power 2. Yes, so this is the third problem. Now this is the formula I have used here, and I have simplified and I got the answer as 3 power 6 into 2 square. So the last problem, let me explain. X to the power of a plus b into a minus b into x to the power of b minus c into b plus c into x to the power of c minus a into whole to the power of c plus a. Okay. So let me explain this. Now x to the power of a plus b whole to the power of a minus b into x to the power of b minus c whole to the power of b plus c into x to the power of c minus a whole to the power of c plus a. Now here you need to recall the formula, that is in algebra you might have learned that is a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Yes, so this formula I am going to use over there. So first let me use the first formula, that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of m into n. You need to multiply the powers. So the first step I am going to write x to the power of a plus b into a minus b into x to the power of b minus c into b plus c into x to the power of c minus a into c plus a. Now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Now you have to remember that two expressions have the same variables, but only thing is that you have a different sign. So in that case this can be written as x to the power of a square minus b square into x to the power of b square minus c square into x to the power of c square minus a square. Now after expanding the multiplying it, now this third formula I am going to use is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is a to the power of m plus n. Now when base are same, add the powers. So that is nothing but x to the power of a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now you can see that here you have a square, here you have a square, but the signs are different. When you have plus 8 minus 8, what you are going to do? 8 minus 8 is 0. So in the same way I can just make it as 0. So I'm going to just cancel plus a square minus a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square. So that is nothing but you are left with x to the power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is, so any number to the power of 0 is 1. So here x to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. Hope you have understood my teaching. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.